If you've ever strung up high tensile wire fencing before, you'll be familiar with these. The tensile wire is used to add structure to the main line and hold it tight and as straight as possible. Sap that sits in sagging main line will spoil and ruin the taste of your syrup. Place your spool by the bottom tree you wish to anchor your main line on and run the wire up to your top anchor. It is helpful to have a second person here to help feed the wire off of the spool and avoid tangles. Cut a short piece of wire to wrap around the tree and place a piece of tubing on it to protect the tree. Feed the wire through the back hole in the ratchet and twist the wire closed or use a gripple. To use the gripple, insert one end of the wire into one hole and the other wire into the other side. Give the ends a bend to hold it in place. If needed, a small piece of wire inserted into this tiny hole on the gripple will release your wire. Place the end of your wire down through the hole in the wheel of the ratchet. Feed it through and bend it to catch it. Trim off the excess. Use the tool to make a few turns so that the wire is wound around the wheel. There's no need to overturn it. Ratchet the wire until it is tight, but do not over ratchet it. High tensile wire that snaps can be extremely dangerous, and it simply does not need to be too tight. It only has to hold up some fairly lightweight tubing. Also, remember that if this is out in place in warm weather, everything will contract and tighten up during the cold season.